Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the essentials. Double-check the account identifier and contact methods listed on the error screen. Make sure your device time and date are set to automatic, because verification tokens and SSL validation often fail when clocks drift. Once you have backup codes, an alternate email, or a phone ready for two-factor prompts, proceed to request a new verification message. This first step reduces false failures, and it makes the next troubleshooting actions targeted and faster to execute. Next, request a new verification link or code and wait a couple of minutes, because systems may queue or delay messages. While waiting, clear your browser cache and cookies or open a private window. If that fails, switch networks or use mobile data to bypass local blocks. Also inspect spam folders, any email filters, forwarding rules, and your carrier's SMS blocking policies. These often intercept automated messages. Once cleared, enter the fresh code promptly and proceed. Timing matters for most time-limited tokens. Finally, use alternative recovery tools. Redeem backup codes, send a verification to a recovery email, or complete the account recovery form. When asked to prove identity, submit only the documents specified by the provider, because excess info can slow processing. Follow instructions exactly. If recovery stalls, contact support and include a screenshot of the error, timestamps, and all steps you tried. This speeds diagnosis. One troubleshooting tip: if you still see "cannot verify identity,"
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.